We're in the middle of no goddamn where at all. That's all swamp. Is that the way we came?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, I remember that water hole right there. What? You good?
Kind of figured I'd be the first one to fall.
You fell?
Alright. Well, I'll be the
I won't
second.
be far behind you.
I hope that's not a pile of bear shit right here.
No, what?
She's the second.
Oh, I found the water.
Oh
I
man.
found the water.
I see it. I stepped over it. It's right there in the middle.
Yep, that's it.
Step over it.
I didn't lose my shoe, but my feet are soaked.
This is a nice open path.
Yeah. Hey, I love adventures like this. Next trip is
Uh-oh.
Guernsey Hollow.
Why am I walking in the water when there's a nice dry path right here?
Jimmy hasn't been to
Oh,
Guernsey.
bullshit.
We went there, but we didn't stay longer than a couple minutes.
Because you were scared.
No, Mikey got scared and ran away screaming.
Did he really?
Yeah. Well, Brian scared me and I screamed, and then Mike took off like a bat out of hell.
Oh, that's funny. There's a stump here for a tree limb.
Yeah, tree branch. I should have one of those shepherd sticks.
There's a good one right there.
There's one right there. Look at that guy.
That's always good.
He's not very sturdy, but nope, he ain't gonna work.
Yeah.
I'll find a new one. It's pretty smooth right here. I think we'll be all right.
Yeah, your bottle should be coming up soon.
Here's number 23.
What the hell? Oh, that's that. We already went past that big square block.
Where your bottle was?
No, well, we may have passed that too.
I think so.
But that big square thing was after that.
Yep. Oh well, you know the animals will just make a home in it.
That's a long way down,
We don't want
guys.
to go down that.
No.
No thanks.
Stick to the flat land here.
This is the nicest thing.
Don't look at my butt.
Why not?
Because
Is that beaver?
Probably.
Looks like beaver.
Yeah.
Evidence of a beaver. I don't see a dam out here anywhere. Boy, if they build a dam across this ravine, holy cow.
Yeah, that's a drop off. There's a waterfall right there.
I bet that's 20
Boy,
feet.
that's some pool down there.
Yeah,
That was a nice little pool.
gotta be at least 20 feet,
Hell yeah.
if not more.
You mean the fall?
Well, from here to there, yeah. Yeah, the fall.
20 feet. You have to have a helicopter come get you.
The moon is up there, guys. You can't see it, it's behind a cloud right now. I could have swore I just very clearly heard someone say my name. Yeah.
that's weird.
There's some railroad stone.
There's only a metal rail.
Yeah, I heard someone say, Tim.
Wow, that's scary. Too.
That is really weird.
Yeah, that's a little freaky.
What do they call them?
Freddy Krueger?
The people that... No, when you hear somebody talking to you and saying your name.
Whisperers.
Mox or something like that.
Ooh. That was slick.
You're not...
People thought that the Blair Witch Project was real.
I don't know, but I'm not going to Massachusetts right now to find out. That's an adventure for another day.
Right.
Huh? Oh, there's my bottle. That means we're getting close. The creek is coming up. Here's my bottle. I can carry my trash out of the forest with me.
That'd be a really good stick, I guess.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I'm doing okay right now. think I really stepped in that pile of bear shit. I could smell it. Either that or there's a bear nearby. I smell wet hair.
I think it's ours.
Either one's possible.
A bear has a distinct smell though, that dirty, wet, sweaty hair.
Yard. There, yeah.
There's, we're following Brian. He's just leaving a fart trail up there.
Fart trail.
Huh? What'd you find?
Stick.
A stick?
Yeah.
Oh, for me. All
There
right.
you go.
Awesome.
Hey.
Now we hunt.
Sticks pointing at something that's coming at us are better than one stick pointing.
All right. Go for the eyes.
Yeah. Go for the eyes.
Hey, I'm all about doing naked and afraid with clothes on.
Yeah, we're back at the railroad bridge here.
Swampy to me.
Yeah. Feels a little softer.
Yeah.
Where's that water hole?
Look.
Right there.
Okay.
Well, there's actually a rock bottom in it though.
Yeah.
This is swampy right here.
There's the bridge. Oh, that's a cool picture right there. There's the sky behind that bridge.
Uh-huh.
I get it.
I'm down.
Yeah.
Oh, there's crocodiles.
We're in the riverbed. Nope, I got it.
River.
Can you see?
Yep. That's slippery.
We got some stepping stones. Renee's got a wet foot. I'm gonna step here.
No, I don't need the
Oh,
wet
that's
anymore.
good traction. You got one here.
What are you doing? Peeing up there? You should have waited till you got across the water.
That water making pee harder and you fall in.
Oh, shit.
I got waterproof boots on. I didn't even slip. That's no fun. Let's see.
Brag about it now. 'Cause, you know, when you brag about it, I'll fall down.
Okay.
Don't fall down. We don't have anybody in our party young enough to pick you
It
up.
was the third step with the right foot.
The first step's the worst. It's a downfall. That's a weird pattern on that rock.
Yeah, it is.
That's strange looking.
My fucking knee.
Okay. I was good there. This is where I faltered.
Yeah, the edge of that's got the best traction right in front of you.
I'm gonna go for the edge here.
Just
There
fall to
you
your
go.
right,
You got that.
left, fall to your left.
You got it made now.
Damn.
Look at that. You must not be wearing the right
I
shoes.
took my time. I think Renee rushed it.
Hey,
But once she hit the water, there was a bit of a
I
rush.
bet she moved quickly then. Oh, my can.
Yeah, it's right here somewhere.
is there anything
that
interesting
fossils?
there?
I don't know if that is or not. I don't
I don't think
see anything special in it.
We'll leave it there for somebody else to find.
There were some big stones up the wall, though.
Limestone, aren't they?
Limestone?
Yeah.
Where's there a limestone quarry around here, though?
Oh,
I don't
That
know if
one's
would
trying
be
to slide
limestone
out.
or not. I don't know.
I think it's limestone.
Well, it might be.
It might be. It was.
I
Was
would
that
think
moss?
limestone
No, that's
would
moss.
be stronger.
What is that noise?
I don't know. I thought it was the whistle at the fire hall, but now I'm second guessing it.
Did I hear your name again, Tim?
Huh?
I thought I heard somebody say,
Yeah. There.
let's get the fuck out of here
Let's,
quickly.
let's get this back to my house on Yankee Bush.
That thing?
Yeah. All right, Tim, you grab one and I'll grab the other.
That's probably 2 feet
I'll walk
thick,
backwards.
like 4 feet
Oh
wide,
my God.
2 feet
Let's
wide.
see. About 5,000 pounds.
Probably. I'm guessing it'll break the axle on my trailer. Somebody's up there. Who's up there? Is it the cops? It's gotta be something over at that farm. There's a farm out that way somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah, this is what we can.
Alright. We'll climb up this embankment. They say this forest is haunted, you know.
I don't doubt it. Why should I doubt that?
And this railroad was built, what, 1400s? Yeah, died building it, right? I hope that's not the sound of a flatbed hydraulic pump loading our cars.
A wrecker. A wrecker. There goes our vehicle. Yeah. No, they're haying over there.
Don't worry, I'll call my parents. I gotta come get it.
Okay. So I don't know where we're at, but can you
You're gonna call your parents?
Yeah.
Hey, Sue?
Dad knows of this area.
Columbus Cemetery? Pine Valley? Where the hell? Pine Valley, man.
Where Jerry's mom almost ran me over with a van one night, and his okay.
It's like, it's by Columbus when you're going to Corey. No, not exactly. And some pictures.
Got my fancy walking stick. Got some unidentified sounds and strange lights in the
Is
forest.
that a UAS?
It's an unidentified sound.
Right.
Bunch of lights over there in the forest. I don't know.
We got some more of them crazy people.
We're on a nice path now. Oh yeah, something going on in that field over there. Yeah, we got some barricade there. I can get over this mess. Coming back seems easier than walking out did. Got some sticks to trip on here. Whoa. There's something right there that'll fuck you up.
Watch out for this one.
There's something in the grass right there too. Oh shit. These are getting thick. Ow! There's a thorn in my ding-a-ling. Oh, I see it right there. Ow! Poked my eye when. Oh, there's another one right there. Okay. There's a tripper right there under my
That's a
stick.
big tripper.
And there's another one right here under my stick.
Got it, Scott?
There's another big one right
Oh,
there.
that's like a telephone pole.
Yeah. There's another big one. You can't miss that one.
This one is really more visible.
What the hell are you doing? We're lost.
That karate chop guy on the ACC.
I'm not looking forward to the slide.
Yeah. Just slide down into the cemetery and it's going to open up and swallow us whole.
Cemetery. Gonna... There's a light over there.
Yeah. Just make sure you don't go down where the wall is at. We don't want to fall off the wall. Yeah, we're down here farther. Oop, woodchuck hole right in front of that stick.
Oh, I did see that coming in.
Yeah,
Yep.
don't step in him. What the hell is that? Big old piece of something or other. Yeah, we're gonna drop down here somewhere. Just don't take me off that 10-foot wall. You see where it's stirred up? I don't want to go off the edge
I'm
of
not looking forward to the slide down, but
Okay, this looks safe. There's a deer path.
yeah, that's a path right
There's
there.
a game trail right here.
Yep.
I'm gonna use this little game trail right here. This don't look too bad. Aside from these sticks right here. There's a deer trail right. Okay, they're going down right there. Oh, that's not too bad. I think we made it. We made it to the bottom. And we are in the cemetery.
How's Sky getting down? I don't know.
He's coming down a deer path. There's a game trail right there.
Sit on your butt and slide.
I don't need this stick anymore. Over here is a really cool retaining wall. Right here in the middle. Big ass retaining wall. Right here. Oh, not here. Oh, up here.
Depends on how you fall and what you sound like.
Right up here. There's a cool looking headstone in this cemetery. Look at that sunset down right there though. Oh look. Pillar right there. Tipped over. We'll stand it back up. Wonder where the other three are. Well, that one's broke. There's one. the hell is this? Just a big bell. Oh, that one's still there. Just, oh, it's broken. We'll leave it right there. Whew. We made it out alive, guys. We made it out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.